Hello everyone, welcome to my videos. Myself Ashwin Nayak. From today, let us start the ninth standard social science. In the history part, the third chapter, the religious promoters and social reformer. So in this chapter, we have mainly concerned to the religious promoters and the social reformers in the 8th to 13th century. It is too the very important in the social cultural the history of India. At that during that period, the Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya, and then Ramanujacharyas are the founder of the three Vedic the religious were living at that India. He spread about that the Dvaita, Advaita, and Vishishtadvaita are the three major the philosophies also came into the existence. After that, the Basveshwara of Kalyana declared the social revolution against the caste and gender based discrimination. So in my previous class, we studied about the one of the religious promoter at the Indian society, the Shankaracharya. So Shankaracharya was born in the Kaladi in Kerala in Nambudari Brahmin family. And then, so after that, he was spread about the Advaita philosophy, and then he started the Panchapitas in entire India. And another one, religious promoters and social reformer Ramanujacharya. So Ramanujacharya was born on Sri Perambuduru near Chennai. His parents was Keshava Somayaji was his father and then Kantimati was his mother. Ramanujacharya was spread about the Vaisishta Dvaita philosophy. In this philosophy, the Jiva and Prakriti were under the control of this Brahma. The both Atma and Paramatma cannot be became one. The stimulation is spread about that in the Visishta Dvaita philosophy. And today, let us we start the another one religious promoter and social reformer ಆದಂತಹ ಮಧ್ವಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So Madhvacharya was born on Pajaka village near to that Udupi in Karnataka. Madhvageha Bhatta and Vedavati was his parents. Lord Vishnu was there, the family deity. It was very tender age and displeased to the abundant knowledge at that period. His education in Veda Upanishad from Achyuta Prekshaka as a teacher later indicated to that the Madhvacharya into that sannyasa. So while studying there, his guru Madhvacharya independently they gained great knowledge about the religious sculptures. He while studying under his guru the Madhvacharya, the independently gained a great knowledge about the religious sculptures and defeated in this guru in a debate. He advocated the Dvaita philosophy. So Shankaracharya Advaita philosophy, Ramanujacharya spread the Vishishtadvaita philosophy, and then Madhvacharyas he spread about the Advaita philosophy. So Dvaita means it is two according to this philosophy. So Dvaita ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it is the two ಎರಡು. So the human soul and the divine soul are the separated. So according to Madhvacharya, the world is not Maya or illusion. It is true as to the Paramatma or to the divine soul. So between this, the divine soul is independent and the rest of the world is illusionary. The divine soul and human soul have a Lord and servant the relationship. Lord Vishnu or Narayana also in the Supreme. The worship of Lord, the Vishnu can elevate the human soul and thus the unable to attain the moksha. So this is the in this philosophy, the Advaita philosophy to spread about that at that society. And then in order to propagated his philosophy, Madhvacharya took the pilgrimage to various places and participated in these debates. He brought the Lord Krishna, the ideal which has hidden to the muddy hillock called Gopi Chandana and instructed to the Udupi. So Gopi Chandana and installed it in Udupi. So further to enable regular worship of this Lord Krishna and he established the eight matas called the Ashtamatas. So one of the so which are the eight Ashtamatas? And that first one, the Palimaru Mata, Adamanuru Matas, Krishnapura Matas, and Kutigi Matas, Shiruru Matas, Sode Matas, Kaniyuru Matas, and the last one, the Pejamara Matas. So these are all were the Ashta Matas to started at that Madhvacharyaru. And the next one, so according to his works, so what about that the Madhvacharya wrote on the main works are to contribute to that the social to the society. In his works, and that first one is Gita Bhashya, and then Gita Tatparya Niryana, and then Mahabharata Tatparya Nirnaya, and then Vishnu Bhatta Tatparya Nirnaya, and then Bhagavad Tatparya Nirnaya, and the last one Mayadha Kandana Tatpadya. So these are all the popular work of this Madhvacharya. So and then Gita, Gita Bhashya, and then Gita Tatparya Nirnaya, Mahabharata Tatparya Nirnaya, our Vishnu Tatparya Nirnaya, Bhagavad Tatparya Nirnaya, and so these are all the popular works of this Madhvacharyas. Sorry. So these are all works of this, yes, Madhvacharyas. The later that philosophy of Madhvacharya was a popularized by that. So after the philosophy, the Madhvacharyas he was very the popularized by Padmanabha Tirtha, Nara Hari Tirtha, Vijayendra Tirtha, and others is popular works of this Madhvacharya. So this is the information about the religious promoters and then social reformers ಆದಂತಹ ಮಧ್ವಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. And then next, the one of the popular social reformer Basavana. So we have to know that Basavana. So Basveshwara is the most prominent, the social reformer of this the medieval Karnataka. And then he displayed, advocated the Veerashaiva philosophy as based on the simple human values at that society. They rejected the numerous ritual deeply the rooted in the Vedic religion. The Basveshwara was the son of Madarasa and Madalambike, a Bhagavedi of present the Vijayapura. He was the strong opponent of this the caste system and he threw the away to the scared thread after the Upanayana. It is to the thread ceremony ಜನಿವಾರವನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು to the went of Kudala Sangha. He took Linga's Diksha from the Shaiva Guru and started practicing to the meditation. Through the Basveshwara became the treasury head of this Kalachuru Bijjala king. He remained the unmoved by this money and the state of power. To dedicated himself to removal of social evils from this society, to commit the revival of social ceremony centric religious, to spread about that society. And then he started to do the social religious the movement from this Magalkenda. Shivasharana should be never discriminate anyone the basis of caste and he also to spread that purity and Atma is one of the way of attaining. He also advocated the self reliance and instead one should earn one's living. It is spread about the Kayakve Kailasa. He also declared no profession in more importance or less importance and nurture to the culture of work is worship through the physical labor philosophy. And then declare to the body as the temple, the Basveshwara tried to implement work is worship philosophy in his life. He is compared to the body as a temple. These things are still guide to the lights of this present society. And then the Basveshwara it is to started that the Sharana spiritual center called that the Anubhava Mandapa at the Basva Kalyana of present the Bidar district. Sharana include the Basaveshwara and the others that engage the meaningful discussions of various social cultural issues like that the gender discrimination and caste systems. They were also discussed the shortcoming of religious and were suggesting the medias to remind the issues. And then they were insisting to that one should remain that transparent in his lives. External behavior and internal thinking should remain the clean. And then he spread the transparent state of this life, ultimate truth. they declared. All these thought gained the poetic expressions in the vachanas in the simple poetic compositions. The vachanas written in the simple Kannada could reach the common people for created a social movement. He remained through the people movement due to his simple language of the Kannada. So it is spread about that the whole all human are equal. No one is untouchability by the birth. Only the province through the behavior makes that one untouchable. So declare that Vachana. Through Vachanas, the Vachanakara try to identify the problem inherent in the society of these times. The people from all the walks of life look part in the Vachana movement. So some people from all walks of these lives took part in this Vachana movement. So at that, the Allama Prabhu, Akka Mahadevi, Siddharama, Molige Ramaya, Ambigara Chaudaya, Madiwala Machaya, Madara Chennaya, Haralaya, Kinnari Bommaya, and many others were the prominent Vachanakaras at that the period. And then he was to spread about the social reforming to the society. The many Vachanakaras, along with the Basveshwara, who had kept formation of equal society as their goal, has enriched contributions a lot of society to the cultural and literature. So this is the information of this Basavanna. Thank you for watching this videos. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಗ್ತದೆ.